Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to use Zelle to transfer money on Chase. So the first step is to simply open the Chase app on your phone and then simply tap on Pay and Transfer at the bottom. Then you're gonna have to simply tap on Send Money with Zelle. And then here, what you're gonna have to do next is to simply choose to who you want to send money and then simply enter the amount. And then here, as you can see, you're gonna have the option to pay and select from which account you want to send money. So either your checking account or your savings account. And after that, you're gonna have to simply select the date. So if you want, you can select to send the money today, or let's say tomorrow, or whenever you want. And you can also repeat the payment. So if you want to make monthly payments, you can select that. And basically, you're gonna send money to that person every single month on that exact date. And after you set up everything correctly, you're gonna have to simply tap on review and then simply tap on send, and that's all you have to do in order to use Zelle to transfer money on Chase. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.